Hello and welcome to Backseat Blackout. A bit of a sad one today. It's just been announced that Loggers Leap won't be coming back to Thorpe Park. Loggers Leap was a much loved attraction that had been thrilling guests since 1989. It was once the tallest log flume in the UK, featuring a pretty terrifying 52-foot double down drop. But since 2015 this has sadly been closed and left SBNO for quite some time. Everyone's been wondering what's going to happen to this ride, whether it will reopen or be replaced with something else. There's been so much speculation around this, and we finally have an answer to the fate of Loggers Leap. Whilst I am sad that this attraction is finally going, I'm very excited to see what the future may hold. It's been 7 years since the last roller coaster opened in this park, and it's well overdue for the next one. The area around Loggers Leap is quite large, so Thorpe Park have plenty of space to play around with. I'm fairly confident that we will see a roller coaster utilise this space, and with Slammer also leaving the park, there is potential that this land could also be used. I can only imagine that this announcement is a sign of something special to come. I'm really hoping Thorpe Park go for the first RMC in the UK, because come on, let's face it, we've all been gagging for one, and it is the thrill capital of the UK. And RMCs are thrilling, so Thorpe, what are you waiting for? What would you like to see in Loggers Leap's place? Comment below, we'd love to know. So that's it for this video. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Top left is our latest video, bottom left is a random video, and don't hit our button on the right because
Loggers Leap was the best water ride at Thorpe, and I'm gonna cry myself to sleep.